All right, check this out. So I failed for a brake light being out the other day on this Audi A4. It's a 2007, but the where the brake light sits in there, the internals are kind of messed up. It seems like this piece is broken. So I got this whole new piece, so we're gonna be replacing that. All right, here's the part. Looks pretty good. Comes with the button and the lights, the plate lights. There'll be a link in the description and also the comments if you're interested in this part. Underneath here, there's a Phillips head screw. Just take that out. Underneath the handle, there's a screw. Get to that. So pull the handle off. And then get that screw out. Might want to use a couple trim tools. Just pop it out. You can pull the handle off, just open that, and then the cable will go through. And pull that off. Here's the connector. Disconnect the connector. We got a connector here. Disconnect that. Straight blade screwdriver. Or pocket screwdriver. Two little tabs on the sides. Pop those out. I'm just using a 10mm socket. Take the bolt out next to the lock cylinder. Sits in here like this. So you're gonna take these nuts off. It's kind of hard to see, but I'm gonna use a 10mm socket. Take those off. There it is right there. There's a bracket. I'll do the same on the other side. And disconnect the electrical connector. Come off. There we go. Just pull that off. There we go. That's the other bracket. Alright, to get the lock cylinder out, we're going to have to twist the housing. But the cable is still attached. So if you disconnect the cable right here, just pop that down. Try to pop this out here. Just try to pop this down. Yeah. Just take that cable out there. And you can twist it. And that comes right out. Just like that. And you can grab the housing. And you might have to push it from the back a little bit. If you take this little bracket off, it might be a little easier for you. It's a little bit tight. The clip right there is getting stuck. Oops. There we go. Popped right off. So yeah, just pull that out. That's good. There's the old one. Now let's take the new one. That lined up. Slide it in place. That fits really well. Just put everything back the way it came out. Take the lock cylinder down, lined up, and let's get this cable in. Alright, the cable's in place. And you want to take these brackets. This is the right hand side one. It's going to go like this. It's going to go right there. Put that in there and tighten that down. Alright, snug that down. That's good. You can double check if you want to. Make sure that it's working. Yep, it worked. Panel. Make sure you put the cable through. handle. Let's get the ball through there, put the cover on. I'll just leave this like this. Get all the push clips in. All right, check that out. The plate lights work again. The button works. It's pretty good, pretty nice piece. It fits well in there. If you're interested in this piece, you can get that in the description. There'll be a link, and I'm gonna get a small commission from that. That's gonna help out this channel. It's not gonna cost anything extra to you.